If you have Honda CRV or Civic or HRV with keyless entry, so one of these kind of style keys, the batteries do, once every maybe 12 months, they do need replacing. So just to show you how to do it. So if you see here, you slide that comes out. And then what happens is the key doesn't go all the way in, it goes a little bit of the way in. Now this is something, if you want, I can do it for you when it's down for service, because the other key will be fine, I'd say. But you go about halfway into it and you push. So you're just kind of pushing it like that, but you don't want to force it too much. And then it clips open. And there's your battery. You just pull it out, replace it with one of the new ones. And once it's in, this goes back together. Just clip it closed. That's it, it's all closed. And then you can push this back in and that's it. So that's how it works. So open that, you'll see there's a little hole in here that it's going to go in. But what you're doing is just kind of a little bit further in and you just force it open, but not too hard. If you don't feel confident with it, just wait till it comes down and I can do it for you one of the days or something like that. So, but the other key I'd say would be absolutely fine for the moment. So like we were saying, just it's only barely in and you get to push it open and then it splits. So that's pretty much it. So if you live in Ireland, obviously we can do it for you here at the garage. If you're living in another country, hopefully the video's been useful. If there's anything else you want to know about Hondas, just let me know in the comment section below. If you think the video's been useful, just hit like, because at least I know the video's useful. Thanks for watching.